Let's take a look at some of the available frameworks for Node. But first, what is a framework? It's sometimes interesting when we look at a definition in its generic form. For example, a framework is an essential supporting structure of a building, vehicle, or object. And in software, it's essentially the same thing. It is a supporting structure that allows you to build on top of it. When it comes to web and we want to build large APIs, or maybe HTTP servers, we can leverage web frameworks, and there are several options we can look at. Each of these provide us with the structure and components you need to quickly make serving static files like traditional websites easy, or we can put together a web API to interact in a web app. A web API is a service that allows us to get and save data to our server or backend, such as a web API that allows us to maybe create users, serve a list of users, etc. Now let's take a look at the different options we have for web frameworks for Node. We'll be looking at Express, which is a very traditional framework. It's tried and tested, and it's simple to use. The next framework we'll look at is called Sails. It has many sub-frameworks, such as an ORM or Object Relational Mapper, which gives us database access, and many other rich features. Then there is Koa, which is the most modern framework. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of these in more detail.